Panic, anxiety, fear, lost, distracted, work, weekend, Netflix, again Monday. Want to escape this? Then this video is for you. My name is Shri Shubhadatta. Today I am gonna say my story, the story of a dream. Around 4 lakh people sit for the CAT examination. I did too, and I'm one of the luckiest person in the earth because I feel I could crack it. And I did, and I thought life would be jolly jolly henceforth. But the 2 years were tough. Okay, it was education. But I had a dream that after I graduate, I'd be having a great campus offer. With a good loan on my head, I could pay off with my salary. But COVID 19 struck, and I lost what I had. Trust me when I say I had moved heaven and earth to crack the CAT examination. And when I lost the job, everything felt shattered. And how I bounced back to life is a story for another time. But today I want to tell you that life is not just of achievements, it's something else. I have a great job now. I love my job. But gradually I started feeling this panic, anxiety, fear, Netflix, weekend, and again Monday. It is a matter of fact that if your life revolves like this, you are unhappy. Everybody says find passion. You get a paycheck. So be it. Work and distress on Friday nights. This is a bunch of BS. There are two ways to be happy in our postmodern society. First, be happy by buying something, commercialism. Second, be happy by doing something. We know the feeling of buying a bike, a car, that new phone with bezeling camera. It's a good way to be happy. But the problem is if we chase this way, the feeling is momentary. You will adapt to your iPhone. Then the iPhone 12 will seem more lucrative than the iPhone 11 in hand. Now comes the next thing. Doing what makes you happy. There must be some aspect of the job. Some love to code, some love to analyze. For me, it always has been making PPTs, videos, and talking to people about ideas. And the post work, I love to write, I love to work out, I read, and I watch movies. Finding happiness is easy. Do what you love. Do something every day. Consciously take effort to make yourself happy by doing something. I had been keeping the ideas of a novel and poetry at bay for so long. Today is 21st day of my streak of writing one page to the book and one poem. Do it. Do it. Do it now. Please let me know how did you like this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.